What's up, everybody? It's Dan, Binder Boneyard, and I'm going to be unboxing the EFI kit that I got from Aces EFI. I have not opened this box yet. I don't know what's in there, so you're going to experience this right along with me. So let's get this box opened up. Looks like we got probably the invoice paperwork. Look at that later. A lot of packing material. Some shirts, because this is part of a promotional deal, so I doubt you'll get shirts with yours. We got this first box here. This is an air cleaner assembly. Again, this isn't part of the EFI kit. This is separate, but pretty fancy looking oval housing. Set some plug wires. Again, not part of the EFI kit. You'll have to order these separate, I'm sure. But this is kind of a indicator of what else is coming down the line. Looks like we got fuel hose. Fancy braided fuel hose. A whole bunch of fittings. That's a filter, fittings, rubber coated clamps. No idea what that is. I'll have to read the instructions. More fittings. Again, some of this stuff is dependent on what kit you ordered. So this is the hose kit assembly instructions, how it all works. So that's going to be helpful. Now for the big dog. The whole big shebang. This is the 2-barrel Dueces Wild throttle body setup. Pretty nice. Looks pretty good. Like it. Got some ports for vacuum for your distributor. Pretty straightforward throttle arm setup. 2-barrel. Looks pretty good. So this is set up for direct inline, like if you're using a single line, like a Corvette regulator. But I'm probably going to change this to a recirculating system, just because sometimes that's a little easier for us. I don't know, we'll see. I'll see what I can do. All of our plugs, cables. This is the wrench that is going to go with the fuel line, so you're probably not going to get that in your kit. I doubt this is included in your kit. Of course, they sent me some swag. So again, this is a promotional deal for us, so some of this stuff, you know, this sort of stuff might not come in your kit. I can't guarantee you what you're going to get as far as that sort of stuff. But definitely this will be in your kit. This is some more fittings for the throttle body. This appears to be O2 sensor with the weld-in bump. that's super cool. That's really handy because I've used some other EFI kits in the past. They do not come with this. You got to go source this. I believe it's 18 millimeter, this bung yourself. And if you don't have a good parts counter guy, they don't always know what you're looking for. So the fact that this comes in the kit, that's super handy. So now it is weld in. That I will say that this is a weld in bung. So you're gonna have to have that technology, or have a neighbor with a welder, or know somebody that knows what the heck they're doing. This is the 5-inch monitor. Got some mounts, stuff like that. Fittings. This is the ECM. So this is separate. This is standalone. So like on a Holley Sniper, the ECM is inside the body here, right over the top of the hot motor, where this is separate. It's got some LED lights for indicating how the system's operating. It's like it comes with rubber mounted feet. What else we got here? Temp sensor. This will go right into the intake manifold. 2-prong, 2-pin. Looks like any good old GM, late 90s, early 2000s GM temp sensor. This is my guess. I don't know if that's what it is, but it's what it looks like. Of course, the wiring harness here with the fuel relays, main relays, fuses. Everything's labeled real nice, what it goes to, power in, all that stuff. So that's cool. Got good layout. Some more hardware. This is for the intake manifold to mount the throttle body. Here's our gaskets, vacuum tees, some plugs. So that's cool. The one thing I don't see in all of this, and maybe I missed it, I don't see any kind of instruction manual. No, there is no instruction manual in here. No. So my guess is that you're gonna have to go on to their website and get some sort of install manual yourself. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory as far as where you know what the harness gets plugged into and what's like that, but I don't see, there's nothing in the box. So I guess you're gonna have to depend on the online instructions as far as setting up your program, you know, and it'll walk you through what you got to do. But yeah, that's kind of interesting that there's not even a leaflet on initial setups, unless it's written on the box. Nope. Yep, just what's in the box is all that's written on there. So yeah, well, the next video we're going to be installing this, and so you're going to be learning right along with me. So yeah, you'll get to see this installed right along with us. This is completely new to us. I'm used to Holley Snipers and other TBI systems, so we are going to be learning about this together. So stay tuned for the install.